The year is 2075. Nigeria, a nation once synonymous with potential, has finally come into its own. Global institutions now rank it as one of the top 5 economies worldwide. This remarkable ascent did not happen overnight. It was the culmination of decades of sustained growth and strategic reforms. The seeds of this transformation were sown in the late 2020s, a period of renewed hope and ambition. Nigeria's journey to economic dominance is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and collective action. It is a story of a nation leveraging its vast human and natural resources to claim its rightful place on the world stage. The road ahead is not without its challenges, but the Nigerian spirit, resilient and resourceful, is ready to meet them head-on. The world watches with anticipation as this sleeping giant awakens, poised to shape the destiny of Africa and leave an indelible mark on the global landscape. The world marvels at the scale of Nigeria's transformation. From its bustling megacities to its thriving rural communities, the nation hums with activity. The echoes of its economic success reverberate across the globe. Nigeria's story serves as a beacon of hope, proving that with courage and commitment, even the most ambitious dreams can be realized. At the heart of Nigeria's economic resurgence lies its youthful and vibrant population. With a median age well below the global average, Nigeria possesses a demographic dividend of unprecedented proportions. Early investments in education and healthcare have yielded a highly skilled and productive workforce. Nigeria's abundant natural resources, once a source of both blessing and curse, have been harnessed to fuel its economic engine. The agricultural sector, revitalized through technology and innovation, now feeds not just the nation, but also a significant portion of the world. Oil and gas, managed sustainably and responsibly, continue to play a vital role in the economy, while renewable energy sources gain increasing prominence. Technological advancements have been pivotal in Nigeria's rise. The country has become a hub for innovation, attracting talent and investment from across the globe. From artificial intelligence to biotechnology, Nigerian entrepreneurs and researchers are at the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution. This technological prowess extends beyond terrestrial boundaries, with Nigeria establishing a significant presence in the burgeoning space industry. Nigeria's economic success has not occurred in isolation. The nation has played a pivotal role in fostering regional integration and cooperation. Strong economic alliances with neighboring countries have created a dynamic and interconnected African market. The free movement of goods, services, and people has unlocked unprecedented economic opportunities across the continent. A landmark achievement in this journey towards a united Africa has been the introduction of a single African currency. This bold and visionary move has created a more stable and integrated financial system, fostering intra-African trade and investment. The single currency has also enhanced Africa's economic clout on the global stage, allowing it to negotiate more effectively in international forums. Nigeria's leadership in championing Pan-African unity has not been limited to the economic sphere. The nation has played a crucial role in promoting peace and security across the continent. Its military, modernized and professional, has been instrumental in peacekeeping efforts, combating terrorism, and ensuring stability in the region. Nigeria's journey to economic dominance has not been without its challenges. The nation has had to confront and overcome deep-seated issues such as corruption, inequality, and insecurity. Addressing these challenges has required sustained effort, political will, and a commitment to good governance and the rule of law. Despite these challenges, Nigeria's future remains bright. The nation stands at the cusp of a new era, one defined by innovation, prosperity, and global leadership. The key to unlocking this potential lies in investing in its people, fostering a culture of entrepreneurship, and continuing on the path of economic diversification and sustainable development. As Nigeria looks to the future, it does so with confidence and optimism. The nation is acutely aware of the responsibility that comes with its newfound economic power. It is committed to using its influence to champion the cause of developing nations, promote global peace and security, and create a more just and equitable world for all.